channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today we will be doing a Valentine cocktail for you. Yes, you heard that correct, a Valentine cocktail. All right, you're wondering what that's about? Stick around and I'll show you. Okay guys, here are our ingredients to our Valentine cocktail. Here we have 2 ripe bananas, some syrup, you'll soon see what that's about, some red syrup, some sugar, white sugar, you're seeing that, and some vanilla, almond milk, pina colada, pre-done, our dear friend J. Ray and Neville, our very own Jamaican rum. These are the ingredients that we'll be using. So let's get right into it, guys. Okay, so let's start by peeling these bananas. Right out. Peel and slice these bananas. Alright, going in the blender so we don't have to make them too small. Okay, so let's add these bananas now. Oops. Into our blender. That's it. Next in will be our milk. We're adding the milk now, or almond milk. Of course, you can always use whichever milk it is that you're comfortable with using. I'm going to pour just about 2 cups of milk into this. So you know it's Valentine, and whether you decide to go large or go small scale, if you choose to dine in, we can make it a memorable experience nonetheless, right? That's it. We have to add some spice now, and more people are dining in, learning the virtues of dining in. Yes. Okay, next in is our vanilla. Yes, that's it, just about a teaspoon. That's not a science, you can choose. And the fruit, you can substitute the fruit for another fruit that you prefer, For example, if you don't like ripe bananas, you could maybe use apples. Alright. Now it's time to add the pina colada. We're going to add just about half a cup of this. Yes, wow. This one is smelling really nice already, the combination. I'm sure it's gonna be so refreshing. Alright. Then it's time for J, Ray, and nephew. The family's here and they're joining the mix right now. This can be about 2 to 3 tablespoons. That's it. Trying to remain sober for the evening so that we'll be sober enough to enjoy it. Don't overdo it. Drink responsibly. Cover. It's all our ingredients that we'll be using now. Just want to cover and just blend. You'll notice that we haven't added any sugar to this mix because the ripe banana has some amount of sweet flavor to it, and the pina colada here is a concentrate which is also sweet. So here we go. Okay, now let's check the smoothness of this. Oh yes, nice and creamy and ready to go. That's it. That's the consistency we're looking for now. Okay, so you might have been wondering what the sugar was for if we didn't add it to the mix. Now here we are. We are going to show you just what that's for. We're going to be decorating the rim of the glass because we want to feel like we're dining in, but we want the dining out feeling. We want that dining out experience. So here we go. Now here is the syrup also that you notice was not added to the mix because it was not intended to be added to the mix. Look at it now. Alright, that's our plan. First we're going to just overturn this sugar into this wider container. Then we place this one with the syrup right here. And we're going to be just dipping it. Dip it like that. and it should come up red just on the rim. Okay, see the rim is looking red. Good. Gonna move that away and dip it in the sugar now. Right down in it. You kind of measured this glass beforehand to ensure that it is wide enough to go down into that dish. That's it now. Okay guys, you see that rim now? Yes, that's it. Right, there we go. Nice and creamy, and here you have it. Your Valentine cocktail is ready to serve. Just gonna add the strawberry to the top there, and that's it. There we go. Enjoy. Now if you liked this video, remember to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Until next time, see you. Ciao.